Hi everyone, I'm Katie Alyce and I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's episode, we're going to be doing chest isolation. So that's everything from chest slides, chest lifts and chest drops. If you like today's video, please subscribe. I'm releasing videos every week, and like and comment below if there's any videos you'd like to see. So find a space to dance, grab your favorite hip scarf and let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to start by making sure our shoulders are rolled back, our chest is open. We'll take our feet slightly under hip width apart and make sure your tummy is slightly tucked under, so hips slightly tucked. That just helps support the lower back. So we're going to be starting with our chest isolation. So let's use a chest slide. We want to imagine that someone's poking us from our rib cage over. So our chest is effectively sliding. Make sure your shoulders are horizontal. And keep it going. Perfect. Also try not to make sure you don't lean with the movement, but keep it on the horizontal. So for the chest lift and the chest drop, I want you to imagine you're pushing up from your rib cage, so you're extending or expanding, and you want to contract to bring the chest down. So lift up, bring the chest down, up and down. Again, make sure you don't try and use your shoulders, so you don't want to do this. But you want to keep it nice and neutral and lift from the chest, drop, lift, drop. Let's take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with a lift. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Nice. Lift, drop. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was amazing work, everyone. So let's practice in front of the mirror and don't forget to tune in next week for more belly dance tutorials.